Today we're gonna be looking up retro games. This is my mom's idea, of course.
Hi guys.
She likes all the retro games. She likes
Well, they weren't retro when I was a kid. They were just video games. But Chase is gonna try some of the games that I played.
What would you like?
Growing up. I want you to start with Super Mario World.
Yoshi's Island or Super Mario?
Super Mario World. Go with that one. Yeah.
Okay.
This is like one of my favorites.
How do I play this?
We will have to see. We will have to see.
I saw 5 of those in my head. Yeah, and it took 20 seconds to get away.
What did it say? Oh, it's start game.
Oh, start the game.
Now, so look at the controllers. So
oh,
you
no.
gotta go. You had to use the up, down, left, like those ones.
Up.
And then check to see which one is jump.
It's just up. It's up.
Okay.
Left is left, right is right, down is down.
Okay, that's easy enough. And then start is enter, and then select is shift. Okay, cool. We got it.
Cool.
We got it.
Cool.
Wait, I think it's loading. Oh, maybe not. Here it comes. Okay.
Is that going to be amazing?
It's a good one. It's a good one.
Should we put this in like part of a new series? Retro games?
Retro games, yeah. You can play all the old school games. I think you're going to have to hit enter first.
Oh, where's that?
So there's your Yoshi.
Where's that?
Okay. Wait till it comes up. It'll prompt you. It'll say it's like to start. So the idea is like you want for Yoshi is like your buddy. You want to keep Yoshi. He can eat things. I forget how you eat things. Ah! Get him!
I can't. I'm not.
No. Oh yeah. Okay.
How do I do this? Like...
And he can lay eggs and stuff.
Oh wait, this is a video.
Okay. Can't you just play it? Click. Oh.
This is a video.
Yeah.
Oh, Mario A. 1 player. Wait, what do I have to press to enter this?
Yeah. So to move, okay.
Dinosaur Land. Okay, Dinosaur Land.
Dinosaur Land.
And
Princess Toadstool is gone again. It's missing again. Okay.
Yeah. What do I have to do?
I don't know.
Click.
Okay.
This is another one?
Oh. Maybe there's nothing that we can do. It just is like a time thing. Okay. So go to like either left or right.
Oh, this is messing with my mind. Like I'm not. What is number 2? Should I go to number 1 first?
Yeah. Okay. There's Yoshi.
Yes.
Enter. Okay. I don't really like. Oh wait. Okay, this is actually good. Wait, I wanted to see something. Okay.
Enter is start. Shift is select. Shift is select. So, made it. Sticky keys. I don't want sticky keys.
No, we don't want sticky keys. How do we? That's a shift as well.
Maybe it needs that one. What the heck? Which one worked? I think it might have been controlled.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, watch out, he's gonna jump.
Oh god!
Ah, how do you jump?
Oh god!
Jump! Like why? No, try.
Why? Where's why?
Wait, let's check the controls again. We're obviously gonna need these ones over here. So I'll control part of them. This is a lot harder than... Okay, try control to get in. No.
What did you press?
I pressed A.
Okay, press A.
I also pressed Z. Oh, okay.
Z.
So wait, before you move, let's just try to get the jump down. Let's figure out what is jump.
Y?
Okay, it's X. Okay.
It's X. Yeah.
Do you want to work now that we know that it's X? Do you want to work it?
No. Oh, this is a new challenge.
Yeah, both of us playing together.
And you get...
Ah!
What the heck? What the heck? It just have this these games work?
No, we have to learn how to like. Okay.
I think we had to duck.
Okay, wait. We have to learn how to duck. Let's learn
I
how to
think.
duck.
Oh,
Okay, wait.
it's down.
Okay. Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. So you have to work the duck. Duck.
Duck.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna jump on this guy's head. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's get that.
Jump!
I think that's a okay, that's a mushroom. That's good. We need that.
Is this how the retro game actually works?
Well, they had a controller like the regular Nintendo controller.
You had a Nintendo? Did everybody like have a Nintendo?
Yeah, this is part of Super Nintendo.
Oh, so like everybody had a Nintendo at that point?
No, not everybody. It's like some people had Sega, some people had like Nintendo.
But everybody was playing Mario.
Yeah, like
Mario was the big game.
Yeah. Like a lot of people play this.
Okay.
You know what's really funny actually? So Grammy got obsessed with this game.
What?
And yeah, Grammy and her friend Lynn got. Hey, you gotta forward. Grammy and her friend Lynn. Hey, wait a second. I think that there's a secret here. How do we spin? Wait. Go down. Press down. No, maybe not. How do we spin? Wait. I think that there's a secret there. I think I remember there being like a secret here. How do we do a spin jump? Okay, maybe not. I don't know.
Wait, so jump?
No. Okay, maybe not.
Maybe that's just
Maybe
where
you
we
need,
have
like,
to
a
come
Yoshi
up.
or something.
Maybe I've...
Maybe. Ah! Oh, we got a mushroom. Get that mushroom.
Mushroom! Oh! I really...
Now he's gone. You gotta wait for this guy.
This is amazing and horrible at the same time.
It's kind of good, right?
I'm trying the best I can.
Okay, let's get that. Because that means that if we die, now we're at like think, oh, we don't have enough Yoshi blocks. We didn't get them. So if you get like, if you get enough of like those Yoshi coins, then when you hit those like little blocks, see these Yoshi coins?
Yeah.
Okay, if you get enough of them, then sometimes you get like a Yoshi. And slide. There's a way. So you can slide down those hills by pressing down. That's the other thing.
Okay, good advice. Boom. Okay. Uh-oh.
That's fine.
Jump.
What? I don't think we can go up there.
Okay, now. Jump! No.
Come on.
Oh, just...
I can jump over this. Duck!
Oh!
Okay.
I keep on pressing up to jump.
Isn't there, can't you move faster? Wait,
No.
I think that might be Yoshi. Wait.
Yoshi, come back to us!
Oh, shit. We gotta wait for it to stop spinning, I think. Wait, let's just get up on there. Oh, it's a fire.
I love fire.
Yeah, it's just gonna be super hard to get it. Okay, yes.
Okay, jump.
Okay. This tag teaming, wait, let's just do it this way.
Oh,
This tag teaming is a little difficult for something like this.
See, Mom's just a master at this game.
This is my jam.
This is her jam.
A little bit.
How do you shoot fireballs?
Oh, sad. Okay, I can control that. Pow, 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 pow! Hey, go back! I'm not too obsessed.
Okay, jump!
Maybe you can move over. Oh, these guys are tricky. Ha 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 ha! Yeah! first level. Boom, baby.
Is this how hard every level is?
It gets
Should we make a series?
We'll just play this one this time, and then next time we'll play Tetris.
Well, what about
Tetris is like
a
my
whole...
other favorite.
Really?
Yeah. Well, we can play through different ones. So let's go to. Okay, first of all, let's go to Yoshi's place so you can see Yoshi.
Wait, what? No.
No! Get out of that water, Mario. Oh, wait. Let's see what this is. I forget.
Yellow
so much
switch,
about
please.
This. How much did we do that? Okay.
Oh, God. Oh, God, no, I hate those.
Ah, get money! Get money! Money, money, money! Money, money!
What do you need money for in this game?
Who cares? Oh, if you get enough, I think you get a free life. Yeah, we just got a free life. Boom, baby, boom! No. Switch directions. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They only stay around for like so long. Oh, there we go. That's cool. We got a free man. We got a free life.
What the man?
You're Mario, man.
We have 5 of them.
Yeah.
I didn't.
Oh, shaka-laka, shaka-laka.
This is confusing!
Oh, I forget what happens here. That's okay. Keep going.
There must be another way to
I wonder how you run.
faster.
There's got to be a way to run. Oh, there.
Oh, I double clicked.
No, I gotta hit. Okay. Oh, that's what those outlined boxes are. They're the switches. Okay, fair enough. Okay. I think I have to hit Z while you go forward.
Okay.
But that's how that works.
Cool. Oh, what? Thanks, Katie.
Thank you. Okay. Continue without saving.
Wait, why?
Well, because I don't think we can save on this. It's because it's like an online game. Okay.
I'm gonna go back and go.
Also, just in case anybody cares, we are at playretrogames.com.
Yeah.
We're playing Super Mario. Okay. So do you wanna see Yoshi?
Yeah, sure.
This is Yoshi's house.
What do we have to do to Yoshi? Where's Yoshi?
Oh, he's not home. Okay. Get out of here.
No, wait, I want to burn myself.
You can't.
Can I?
No, but that's how you run fast. I'll press Z. Okay. Go to the next level.
This is just... It's stupid, but amazing at the same time.
It's good, right?
You know what? It
It's
should be
like these old games. Yeah. Do you want to do this level and then...
Oh, this is going to take
only
like 5 minutes.
Maybe 3 minutes left. You run towards that thing. Yeah! Oh, I think that there was a thing there. Oops, my bad.
Oh god, you just launched it.
I know. There used to be a secret there that if you
launched...
Run? Yeah, sorry.
Yoshi!
Jinx. Chase. Ha 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 ha. Alright, go jump on him.
I can't! You're the one who controls the jump.
Yeah, but you gotta get over there. Ah! Okay.
Yoshi!
So, let me see. Okay, there we go.
Did you just say I stink?
Yeah, I think I did. Okay, so if you feed him, he'll lay eggs.
And why do we need eggs?
Okay, ready? Watch this. You also... I know. If you eat different color dudes, different colored turtles, make you have like different powers. I think these guys are just the normal. Yeah, they just.
Yeah.
Oh no! Get him! Get him!
Yoshi!
Get him!